Hey everyone! Welcome back to Kevin Tech, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we've got an exciting lineup of products that are sure to transform your space and elevate your lifestyle. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Tovala Smart Oven. This isn't just any ordinary oven. It's a smart convection oven that can steam, bake, broil, and toast. Perfect for anyone who loves cooking but hates the hassle. With its companion app, you can scan the barcode of Tovala meals or other groceries, and the oven will automatically set the correct cooking time and temperature. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. Next, for those lucky enough to have a pool, meet the Dolphin Nautilus CC Pool Cleaner. This robotic pool cleaner is a game changer. It's equipped with advanced algorithms to ensure your pool is spotless, and it can climb walls and clean the waterline. Just drop it in your pool and let it do the work while you relax. Moving on, we have the ultimate entertainment gadget, a portable projector with built-in Bluetooth speakers. This compact device projects a crystal clear image up to 120 inches, perfect for movie nights or presentations on the go. Plus, the Bluetooth speakers provide excellent sound quality, making it a great all-in-one solution. Now, let's talk about the Woodbridge Smart Toilet. This isn't just a toilet, it's a luxury experience. With features like a heated seat, bidet function, and automatic lid, it's designed to bring maximum comfort and hygiene to your bathroom. Plus, its tankless design saves water and space. Last but not least, we have the RGB LED corner floor lamp. This stylish lamp adds a vibrant touch to any room with its customizable colors and modes. Whether you want to set the mood for a party or create a cozy reading nook, this lamp has got you covered. It's easy to control via remote or app, making it a versatile addition to your home. That's it for today's gadget reviews. Each of these products offers something unique to enhance your home and lifestyle. If you're interested in any of these gadgets, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.